How to turn a street cat into a house cat. Have you ever come across a street cat that stole your heart? Maybe you're thinking of giving them a safe and cozy home. That's a beautiful and kind decision. But turning a street cat into a house cat takes time and patience. It's not just about bringing them indoors. It's about understanding their needs and helping them adjust to a new life. Let's explore how to make this transition as smooth as possible for your new feline friend. Step 1. Build trust. Street cats are often cautious of humans. They've learned to survive by being wary of their surroundings. Start by spending time near the cat without forcing interaction. Offer food and fresh water consistently. This shows the cat that you're not a threat. When the cat starts coming closer, let them sniff you. Avoid sudden movements or loud noises. Use a calm voice when you speak to them. Earning their trust may take days or even weeks. Be patient. Step 2. Provide a safe space. Once you're ready to bring the cat indoors, create a quiet and secure area for them. This can be a spare room or a cozy corner. Set it up with a litter box, food, water, and a soft bed. Street cats might feel overwhelmed by large, unfamiliar spaces. A smaller enclosed area helps them feel safe. Make sure the room has no escape routes, like open windows. You don't want them to get frightened and run away. Step 3. Introduce them to indoor life slowly. Don't expect the cat to adapt overnight. Keep them in their safe space for the first few days. Let them explore at their own pace. Spend time in the room with them, but don't force interactions. If they're hiding, let them stay hidden. They'll come out when they feel ready. Gradually introduce the rest of your home. Open doors and let them explore one room at a time. Supervise these adventures to ensure they feel secure. Step 4. Establish a routine. Cats thrive on routine. Street cats, in particular, feel safer when they know what to expect. Feed them at the same times each day. Clean their litter box regularly. Play with them to mimic the hunting activities they're used to. Use toys like feather wands or small balls. This not only builds trust, but also keeps them active and entertained. Step 5. Understand their fears. Street cats may be nervous around household sounds. Vacuum cleaners, televisions, or even a doorbell can be intimidating. Introduce these noises gradually. Start with low volumes and increase over time. Some street cats may never fully adjust to being handled. Respect their boundaries. Over time, they may become more comfortable, but don't rush them. Step 6. Health comes first. Before fully integrating a street cat into your home, take them to a vet. Street cats may carry fleas, ticks, or other health issues. Vaccinations and a general health check are essential. Spaying or neutering is also important if it hasn't already been done. This helps prevent unwanted behaviors like spraying or yowling. A healthy cat is a happy cat. Step 7. Bond through positive experiences. Use treats, gentle petting, and soft words to build a bond. Always associate your presence with positive things. If the cat allows, brushing their fur can be soothing. Over time, they'll start to see you as a source of comfort and safety. Step 8. Be prepared for challenges. Not all street cats adjust to indoor life the same way. Some may become affectionate lap cats. Others may prefer their independence, even indoors. Don't be discouraged if progress is slow. Every small step forward is a victory. The reward, turning a street cat into a house cat, is a journey. It's filled with challenges, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You're giving a cat a second chance at life. A life where they don't have to worry about food, safety, or shelter. Over time, you'll see their personality shine. They might surprise you with their loyalty and affection. Remember, love and patience are the keys to success. Your effort can transform their life forever. Thank you for choosing kindness and giving a street cat a loving home. Your compassion makes a difference, one paw at a time.